Linking your bank account to Tidal allows for seamless payments and subscriptions. Follow these steps to set up your bank account with Tidal. Step 1. Open the Tidal app. Launch the Tidal app on your device. If you don't have it installed, download it from your app store and create an account or login. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the settings gear icon in the app. Step 3. Select payment options. In the account settings, look for the payment options or billing section. This is where you can manage your payment methods and subscriptions. Step 4. Add bank account. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select bank account from the list of available payment options and enter your bank details as prompted, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to Tidal for easy payment processing. Enjoy your music streaming experience.